Meaning of Davy lamp.
Davy lamp.
Davy lamp.
Davy lamp.
Davy lamp. The Davy lamp is a type of safety lamp invented in 1815 by Sir Humphrey Davy. It was designed to be used by miners in potentially explosive environments, particularly those containing methane gas. The lamp works by creating a flame surrounded by a mesh screen, which prevents the flame from igniting any flammable gases present. This innovation greatly improved the safety of mining operations and reduced the risk of explosions. The Davy lamp became widely used in coal mines across the world and is a significant development in the history of workplace safety.